Alright, today's simple build, nice quick down and dirty video. We're going to be building a phone holder because everyone's been yelling at me. Or not everyone, like 2 people watch my videos. So at first I was going to make something real complicated and go all crazy, but then I realized I have parts and why go crazy. So I got this little guy. It bends, it's for a GoPro. I have some broken pieces that screw into it. And then I have an Irwin, like small little clamp. I just had these in the shop and I want to buy more, so I might as well use one here. It holds my phone perfectly. What we're going to do is we're going to modify this little piece to go on the end here. And then it'll screw in there. And I'll just do the whole thing on hyperlapse real quick. And then hopefully I don't have to put you in very precarious positions, because now I'm going to put you up in the ceiling so you can see my work area. Hyperlapse it till I'm done, and we'll see how it works. Ugh. Alright, well I got you precariously hanging from my ceiling from a nail. But that's why we're building this, so this will be the last time it'll be all crazy. So what I did is I just cut one of those down. I'm going to rough it up. And then I'm going to rough both these sides up. I'm going to glue it right on there. I'm not sure if I want it here. So I can angle. Yeah, I should be able to angle my phone wherever I want if it's glued right there. So I'm going to take some of that cyanoacrylate after I rough this up. Get some nice grooves in here so the glue can stick to it. Put it on there. And then that's basically it for the video. So we'll go ahead and I'm gonna have to buy more of my extra thick stuff. Oops. I don't have a clears down here, do I? Really a holder, but just gonna hold it while I get some crap in it. Oops. It's not gonna hold it. I really don't work down here anymore now that my shop's done, but I just wanted to be inside tonight. I do have some tools left in the basement. Okay, gripping it. Basically giving that glue something to hold on to. Let's get this done. Always wear safety glasses. We'll do it. Put on a healthy amount. Stick it on there. Give it a few shots of the accelerant. Now we go ahead and get around it too. And the light sucks down here. All right, we got it on there. Hope you guys are still sideways. I can't tell. Well, this will be the last video that's dumb. Okay, we got that on there. And there you have it. Little phone holder. I'll grab another phone. I'll show you guys. All right, there we have it. Didn't have to do anything complicated like I was first thinking. I was going to build this whole rubber band system to hold the back, and I was like, you know what? Look at that. That just holds it right there. Legs can move about. I can position how I want, where I want. I can tie the legs around something on the ceiling. And it holds the phone. Maybe it'll be modified at some point, but it's going to give us a jumping off point for better videos. Thanks for watching. There we go. I got you wrapped around a pipe upside down in my ceiling. Do the hyperlapse of me cleaning up. We'll see you guys next time.